Hello, today we're going to learn how to do conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. So for that, I have my data table ready. Under Home ribbon in conditional formatting, right? We can see different formatting rules here. So let's say I want to see those vehicles. I want to highlight those vehicles which are made 75 and onwards, let's say. Okay, so if I select this column here, I do conditional formatting. So these are numeric values. It's showing the year value, right? So I can then say greater than as a rule. I can say 75 and up. Let's fill that with, so the color doesn't mean anything here. I just want to highlight them. That's it. I can say, let's do a custom format. Oops. Yeah, fill. So let's color them purple, for example. Okay. So you see now those vehicles that were made in 75 and onward are highlighted in purple color. Okay. So what else can I do? So miles per gallon column, right? We can take it and then we can put a color scale on it. If I select the second color scale, which actually I shouldn't select the first one. What it does, it's basically highlighting the low values with a red color and the large values will get a green color, and anything in between are the shades between, from red to yellow and then to green. So you can see that clearly. I can see a vehicle here that's really not doing very well in terms of gas mileage, and a vehicle that's doing very well in terms of gas mileage, which is this 40 miles per gallon here, right? And I can see, for example, that it was made in 1980. It's a Renault, and this 13 miles per gallon is a Buick made in 72. Okay, so what else can I do? There's lots of different options, but just to highlight one more, I can select the cylinders column. Then I can say data bars. And let's say I select the blue color here, which creates a bar plot, kind of a bar plot on top of these values here, but for each value. Okay, so each value gets a bar corresponding to the weight of that value, or how large that value is. So a 4-cylinder vehicle will have a small bar, while an 8-cylinder vehicle will get a larger bar. So again, the purpose of all this is for someone to add some visualization and some color to the data table directly itself. This will help during the analysis. Okay, this will guide you. This will help you to get some more insights easier. Rather than looking at some plain numeric values, you are basically bringing a bit more livelihood into your data. That's the whole purpose of this. Okay. And there are other things here as well, so you can check those. So this icon set is also very fun, actually. Let's do one of them. For example, let's take horsepower. If I select these icon sets, this shows like a Wi-Fi power kind of a thing. Or if I select this one, this is also nice. So basically, these values are divided into like bins, and based on how large they are, they will get a value. So this is the largest. We'll get a full circle here, or full pie chart, full, the whole thing. These are very small values, so they are getting basically is like an empty circle, and anything in between goes like that. Again, rather than just looking at like plain numbers, here you're seeing a bit more, interesting stuff. Okay, so that's about it. To do conditional formatting, and let's say at the end you want to clean all this stuff you have, what you can do is you can come here and then you can say clear rules from this table. It will clear all the rules from the table. Thank you.